Welcome to our roundup of the best countertop microwave options for quick, convenient, and efficient cooking. Whether you're reheating leftovers, preparing frozen meals, or cooking full dishes in minutes, we've selected top-rated countertop microwaves that combine power, smart features, and user-friendly design. We'll break down each model's key highlights, including cooking power, capacity, preset functions, energy efficiency, and ease of use to help you choose the perfect microwave for your kitchen. From compact options for small spaces to high-performance models for busy households, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and prices. Now, let's dive in and find the ideal countertop microwave for your cooking needs. The first on the list is the Black Plus Decker EM031MB11, which we will call the Black Plus Decker Digital. This model is a great option for families who want high power output, a large, easy-to-read digital display, and one-touch cooking presets that make daily use effortless. With its generous interior space, it can easily handle large plates, family-size bowls, and bigger food containers. The sleek black design also looks modern and fits nicely into most kitchen styles. What really makes this microwave stand out is how easy it is to use. The digital control panel is clear, responsive, and packed with useful presets for popcorn, pizza, beverages, frozen meals, and more. You can also use the wait and time defrost options to get more accurate results without partially cooking your food. In daily use, it heats quickly and evenly, which means fewer cold spots and less need to stop and stir. Of course, it's not a premium machine, so the build quality is good but not heavy-duty. It's also a bit larger, so it needs a reasonable amount of counter space. However, overall, the Black Plus Decker Digital is an excellent all-rounder that offers strong performance, good capacity, and very user-friendly controls at a reasonable price. Next up is the Panasonic NE1054F, which we will simply call the Panasonic Compact. This microwave is built for users who want commercial-grade durability, simple mechanical controls, and reliable, consistent heating in a compact form. Designed as a light-duty commercial unit, it's perfect for small offices, cafes, or homes where reliability matters more than flashy features. With its sturdy stainless steel exterior and interior, it's made to handle frequent use without showing wear quickly. The simple dial controls might look basic, but that's actually a big advantage because anyone can use it without reading a manual. You just set the time, close the door, and you're ready to go. In daily use, the Panasonic Compact feels extremely dependable. It heats evenly, doesn't struggle with reheating leftovers, and handles simple cooking tasks like warming soups, coffee, or ready meals with ease. The interior is easy to clean thanks to the stainless steel surface, and the door feels solid and well-balanced. While it doesn't offer advanced presets or sensor cooking, it makes up for that with consistent performance and long-term reliability. This is the kind of microwave you buy when you want something that just works every single day without fuss. Overall, the Panasonic Compact is a rock-solid choice for users who value durability, simplicity, and dependable performance over fancy features. Next up, we have the Sharp Countertop Microwave Oven, which we will just call the Sharp Countertop. This microwave focuses on reliable sensor cooking, even heating performance, and a well-balanced size for most kitchens. Sharp has a long reputation for making dependable microwaves, and this model continues that tradition with a very practical and well-thought-out design. One of the biggest highlights here is the sensor cooking feature. Instead of guessing the time, the microwave detects moisture and adjusts cooking automatically, which is especially useful for reheating leftovers or cooking common foods like rice, vegetables, and pasta. In real-world use, this makes a noticeable difference because food comes out more evenly heated and less dried out. The interior is easy to clean thanks to the stainless steel surface, and the door feels solid and well-balanced. While it doesn't offer advanced presets or sensor cooking, it makes up for that with consistent performance and long-term reliability. This is the kind of microwave you buy when you want something that just works every single day without fuss. Overall, the Sharp Countertop is a dependable, no-nonsense microwave that delivers consistent results and is perfect for users who want reliability and simplicity with a touch of smart automation. Next, we move to the Black Plus Decker EM720CB7, which we will call the Black Plus Decker Compact. This one is ideal for smaller kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices, and its main strengths are compact, space-saving design, simple digital controls, and surprisingly good performance for its size. Even though it's smaller than most countertop microwaves, it still feels very capable for everyday tasks. The first thing you notice is how little space it takes up. If your counter is crowded or your kitchen is small, this microwave fits in easily without making things feel cramped. Despite its small size, it can still handle standard plates and bowls, making it perfectly fine for reheating meals, cooking instant foods, or warming drinks. The digital control panel is straightforward and includes quick buttons for common tasks like popcorn, reheating, and defrosting. The display is clear and the buttons respond well, which makes it easy to use even if you're not very tech-savvy. In daily use, it heats evenly and doesn't feel underpowered for its size category. Another nice touch is how lightweight and easy it is to move. If you need to rearrange your kitchen or take it to another place, it's not a struggle. The interior is also easy to wipe clean, which is great for busy users who don't want to spend much time on maintenance. Overall, the Black Plus Decker Compact is a fantastic choice for small spaces, offering good performance, easy operation, and great convenience in a compact package. The last one on our list is the Toshiba EM131A5CBS, which we will simply call the Toshiba Countertop. This microwave stands out with smart sensor cooking, a large and bright control panel, and a powerful, well-balanced heating system that makes it feel like a premium product without being complicated to use. This is the kind of microwave that fits perfectly into a modern kitchen and handles almost any daily cooking task with ease. Right away, you notice the sleek design and the large, easy-to-read display. The control panel is well laid out and the buttons feel responsive and solid. The sensor cooking feature works very well here, automatically adjusting time and power for common foods, which removes a lot of guesswork and helps prevent overcooking or drying out your meals. In everyday use, the Toshiba countertop is fast, even, and reliable. It handles everything from reheating leftovers to cooking frozen meals with consistent results. The interior is generous, so you can easily fit larger plates and bowls. The turntable rotates smoothly, and the interior light is bright enough to clearly see your food while it's cooking. Another strong point is how quiet and smooth it feels during operation. The door opens and closes nicely, the beeps aren't too annoying, and the overall experience feels refined. Overall, the Toshiba Countertop is an excellent all-round microwave that combines smart features, strong performance, and a user-friendly design, making it a top choice for most households. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy easier and better cooking in your kitchen.